Click on the link below to get price. The Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a remarkable tool that brings convenience and efficiency to tire maintenance. Boasting a high-capacity battery, this inflator is designed for those who need a reliable, portable solution for inflating tires on the go. Weighing in at just a few pounds, its compact design easily fits into your vehicle's trunk or glove compartment, making it an ideal companion for road trips or daily commutes. One standout feature of the Neverland inflator is its impressive battery life. With a capacity of 150 psi, it can handle a variety of inflating tasks, from car tires to sports equipment. The device quickly inflates standard car tires in just a few minutes, saving time and energy. The digital display is intuitive and easy to read, allowing you to monitor pressure levels accurately. Additionally, the built-in LED light is a thoughtful inclusion for nighttime use, ensuring you can easily find your tires even in low-light conditions. The inflator's operation is user-friendly. Simply connect the hose to your tire's valve, set your desired pressure, and let the machine do the work. It automatically shuts off when the desired pressure is reached, eliminating the risk of overinflation. This feature offers peace of mind, especially for those who may not have extensive experience with tire inflation. One limitation, however, is that the inflator may struggle with larger tires or those requiring significantly higher pressure, such as those found on trucks or SUVs. While it excels with standard passenger vehicles, users should be cautious when using it on more demanding applications. Overall, the Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor combines portability, efficiency, and user-friendly features into a compact design. For anyone seeking a reliable and effective solution for tire inflation, this device is a worthwhile investment that enhances safety and convenience on the road.